Stop.
Coal train. It's going to be a mile long.
Are we gonna be short?
No, it's not going to be short. It's going to be long. You want to pee, this is where you should do it.
Oh, this is the first time.
See, the coal goes clear down to the bottom like that, and then they have a machine that picks up the car and turns it upside down. A really big machine.
Up to there. It's long.
You can't.
It's not the end yet. We are so far.
Oh, it's going to be a mile at least. And it's empty cars, so these are going back up to Wyoming to fill up with coal in Wyoming.
How many minutes waiting?
If it was night, that corner would be really bright, and then those reflectors would be really bright.
So long.
At least a mile. Oh,
And
that
just-
was blue.
How many
You'll
minutes?
just grab onto the ladder and we'll just take you.
Well, you wouldn't want to try and get on a train going this fast, because that's too slow to try and jump on the ladder.
I'll grab onto the ladder.
Yeah, it's going too fast to grab on, I think. You might be able to run and catch it, but if you fall down, it's not going to be good for you. Some people fall down and then roll under the wheel,
Yeah.
but only once.
You have to jump fast.
My uncle, Stanley's dad, got crushed between two cars and killed. They were putting the cars together for him to live in as a house. He was a boss on the railroad. And then he got killed, and his mom started drinking a lot and went out with different men.
You get killed by being bossy.
Huh? He
Being
got
bossy
killed,
with
and then
the
back
train.
then they didn't take care of the families very well, so his family didn't have much income.
Oh my god, how many minutes is this? So far.
And one of the girls, I can't remember if it was Maxine or Noreen, thought the family didn't take care of Stanley's family very well after that.
So long.
It's going faster.
Yeah, he was speeding up.
Why are you speeding?
There's an engine in the back. There's the back right there. See the smoke?
Why are you speeding?
Well, he's going slow. He should be going about 70 miles an hour. He left Sterling Yard.
Finally, the end.
He left the Sterling Yard starting from zero.
It's the end.
Hey, now he's going fast.
Yeah.
Bye.
See, the Sterling Yard's right up there, so he left the Sterling Yard going slow.
And then go up.
And he was speeding up the whole time.